Nutratology Ashwagandha Review: Benefits, Side Effects, and Does it Work? So, Nutratology's Ashwagandha with black pepper is designed to help with stress, anxiety, energy, and overall well being. So, each capsule contains 650 milligrams of ashwagandha root extract plus the black pepper for better absorption. Now, let's talk about its pros and cons. So for the pros, having a high potency of 650 milligrams ashwagandha plus black pepper absorption. It also has a third-party testing with COA available. It also may support stress relief, anxiety reduction, and better sleep. And apparently, it's manufactured in the GMP compliant facility in Canada. And they have a simple dosing, which is 1 to 2 capsules per day. Now, the cons though, there are some side effects possible, like stomach upset, drowsiness, headaches, and rare liver injury, and may interact with the thyroid, diabetes, or blood pressure medications. It's also not suitable during pregnancy or breastfeeding, and it has a long-term effectiveness and safety is still under research, so it has some mixed user feedback. So overall, Nutratology Ashwagandha is a well-formulated and transparent supplement that can help with stress, sleep, and energy. That said, results may vary widely and side effects or medication interactions are possible, so it's best for those looking for a natural short-term stress and sleep aid, but you should consult your doctor before starting.